Welcome, everyone. Thanks for joining. This is absolutely amazing. To think that 20 years ago I rolled up to McMaster Building, for those of you who know SickKids in Toronto, in my friend Jim's beat up pickup truck from a long drive in the cold from Boston with the half frozen ficus and boxes of plasmids. And the first stop was to bring the plasmids up to the 7th floor and stick them in a freezer before going and finding my apartment and getting going. And that was the start of the lab, and it's been an amazing 20 years. Today, this symposium is to celebrate all of you, all of the accomplishments that every single one of you has done over the 2 decades, which is really crazy. The lab really is the people who have come through it. And I've been really privileged to be part of this amazing group. I'm getting all emotional seeing all the faces and the names. I've been really incredibly fortunate to have all of you take a chance on the lab. I started out from nothing, and every time somebody joins the lab, I'm amazed that they choose us, and it's really been a thrill and a privilege. And the science has been great. We started the first project in the lab, oddly enough, was on the initiation of limb formation, which was the last offshoot of my postdoc work. And it was so much fun because it brought together, we had enthusiastic summer students, we had rotation students, we had lab manager, and everybody got together and really just put everything they had into it, and that set the stage for how the lab would run and what would come next. It's teamwork and really wanting to dig deep, and it's been really great. And so over these 20 years, we made a bunch of great discoveries. I'm not going to read out my bibliography because you guys all know what we've done over the last years, but it spans, as I was thinking about it, it spans an amazing range of disciplines. I mean, from physiology to basic, even structural biology. And this represents the desire to understand fundamental concepts in cardiac biology, and all of you helped in some really important fundamental discoveries. And you did this fearlessly, really amazing stuff. I mean, the kind of experiments that you guys did and tried really blew me away every time. And with really advanced, difficult techniques and finding really amazing results. And of course, we had a lot of fun along the way, a lot, as you'll see in the slideshow during the breakout session. There's a bar near SickKids called Bruneau that I think is now only a parking lot. I think we'd still be banned from Bruneau if it was still standing, and we're probably still banned from parking in that parking lot. I know Shin remembers this well, and a few of you might have been there. But as you'll see in the slideshow, we had a lot of time, a lot of great times celebrating one another's success and celebrating and just enjoying one another. And it's been a really fantastic time. And really importantly for me, seeing all your faces and some of the people who've been gone a long time, some people who are still in the lab. What's been really wonderful is to see all of your careers flourish in myriad ways. And I take a ton of pride knowing that somehow your experience in the lab contributed to your success. And we're going to hear about it during the career panels. So thank you for everything. I'll be thanking you. I'll continue to thank you profusely during the day. And before we enjoy some great science, I want to thank the team who made this symposium happen. Nicole Velasquez, Stephanie Hewitt, and Irfan Katiria, and of course the fantastic graphics and communications team represented here by Lisa Accardi. So thank you so much, and everybody in the lab who volunteered their time to come and moderate the sessions. So I'm going to stop here for now and let Sarah Winchester take the shows.